Sister, you make the world. All of you put together is this world. There is no world apart from you. You are not an insignificant non-entity in the world. All of us are put together is the Virat Roop, the totality of the universe, in which not only man, but the plant, animal and human, all of them put together is the great design of the total universe. Nature is always pure. Nature only wants to bless you. But your behavior is such, prompted by negative tendencies, we are the ones who are poisoning it. Uncontrolled greed, utter selfishness, incapacity to sacrifice for the sake of others. These are the values that we are living today in the name of secularism and materialism. This is a condition throughout the world. So long as our values are so low, we are disturbing the nature. And nature has infinite patience. Makes you make mistakes after mistakes after mistakes. Like a loving mother, allow the child to do mischief one after another. But nature, when once she decides to punish you, you cannot stop it. She comes out like Bhadrakali, pure anger. And the destruction that she can bring about is sometimes total. Nature doesn't care whether human beings are here or not. She wipes clean the table and rebuilds the entire generations. How many plants have become thus extinct? How many animals have become extinct? Nobody killed them. They were not able to live harmoniously in the circumstances and environments in which they were living. Therefore they died. It's not nature changed, but it is the individual entities that got extinct.